today I am going to practice my story which I have learned from the AI. Today is my fifth day and I have learned today a story, old, old clock shop. The old clock shop. One day, once upon a time, there was a city. That city is near to the market, where there was a shop was old, which was old, and the shop owner was Mr. Hemant. He was very meticulous person. He worked with very meticulous, and one day Aryan came to his shop. He was very somber, and he said to shopkeepers that he said to shopkeeper that this was he had to shopkeeper, I have a watch that my grandfather gave me. That watch is not working, and he was somber. He told with whispers, and then Hemant took the watch, and after that he saw closely, and then he saw a piece of thread is tied to watch gears. Hemant removed the threads from the watch gears, and then he his phone take near his ears to listen what sounds tick tick like, and he heard, and Hemant heard this watch a tick tick sound is coming, so he smiled, and Aryan also smiled to see this. Now his watch are working perfectly, and to see Hemant to see this Aryan, he was happy now. So Hemant also happy to see the Aryan, and I have learned 3 or 5 or 6 sentences from this story. I have learned first word meticulous, meticulous, means showing great attention to details, every careful and precious. In Hindi, बारीकी बातों पर ध्यान देना. I am giving example on this word. The artist was meticulous when painting tiny details the pen, and I have learned seconds word from this story. Somber. Somber means dark, gloomy, and serious in moods. In Hindi, udas, gambhir. If I will give you example, the example will the news of the incident put everyone in a somber mood. Whispers. Whispers means a soft or hushed sounds. Mood by a person speaking in a such way. Fusana. Now uh, I'm going to remind fourth words. Entangled. Entangled. Courage to become twist together with or catch in something. उलझा हुआ और फंसा हुआ. Entangled, उलझा हुआ, फंसा हुआ. The next word I have learned from this story, prison. Precision. Prison. The guilty or condition of being exact and accurate. Satik. In Hindi, satik and bariki. And I have learned last and final word, gratitude, from this story. And first of now I want to give an example of a prison. A person need to have great prison when operating. This is now I'm going to tell you a last and final word which I have learned, gratitude. The gratitude of being thankful, of feelings of appreciates. In Hindi, आभार, कृतज्ञता. He felt a deep sense of gratitude for all the help he had received. Today I have learned this word and I have learned that story. Now I know I am not explaining in the proper way, but I also try to explain a story in my own words. Right now I am struggling. I am trying to become a fluent and I am making lots of mistakes this day, because this day is my starting day, and I know I have made lot of mistakes, but I will try to fix my mistake, and I will put extra effort to learn and fix this mistake also. I am trying to become a fluent. I am also trying to don't mistake to share a story, but I am not able to explain as an expert. That's why I am making lots of mistakes. Thanks for listening me.